What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful GLC350e coupe that we have right in front of us, of course in Obsidian black. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks. Once again, this is a coupe, so I love how the slope goes down like that. Very angular and sharp from the back right here. Now if you see this car on the road moving, it does look very sick. That means absolutely love the design, man. Multi-spoke wheels, very nice indeed. Now let's start off with the front and admire how gorgeous the finishing of this car actually looks. So let's start with the lights. You do get your digital light that's happening over here. Your DRLs are located right there, and these two lights actually light up, so that's kind of cool. Digital light wording right there, Mercedes-Benz wording right here. Love the blue finishing. We will turn this on shortly to show it to you guys. Now at the bottom here, you do get an amazing, aggressive looking bumper for the front because it's an AMG line, so you do get some airflow happening right there. You do get these cuts right here in this matte finish. Again, Obsidian black, so I love how the black finishes are all over the car. You do get some gloss black finishing as well, with some Obsidian black finishing all over the place. You do get some chrome lining at the center right here all the way till that place. Number plate goes right there. Tow hook is right here. You get sensors located all over the place. You do get some airflow happening right there as well. Now let's talk about the front grille. You do get your glass-like Mercedes-Benz logo right here, because you can't feel the logo, right? Because there's a sensor located right at the back of this particular logo. You do get some chrome finishing that's happening all over the place. You do get this Mercedes-Benz started front grille. Very nice. Camera located down here for your front camera, because this car has 360 camera. Mercedes-Benz badging in black and silver. You do get this lining across the front hood, which looks absolutely superb, man. Love how aggressive it looks. Very nice, I like it. Now let's move down to the side of the car. You do get this finishing that we have right here, goes across Obsidian black. Love how the lines are like that. Of course, if you go for another color, it does follow the body color as well. Check out the wheels. You do get this multi-spoke two-tone wheel. I love the black on the inside, silver on the outside. You do get your Mercedes-Benz badging center wheel caps. Drill disc brakes happening for the inside right there. Mercedes-Benz brake calipers, as you can see, with the Mercedes-Benz word. You get your AMG badging at the side of the wheel, so very nice indeed. You do get your Continental tires for this particular car, and the tire size is 255/45R20. So 20-inch wheels for a gorgeous car like this, man. Check it out, beautiful. Now side right here, because it's a plug-in hybrid, so Mercedes-Benz does this EQ hybrid, that's what it says. You do get your side plate right there, your side steps actually, for you to put your leg on and step on. Your side mirrors are also in this Obsidian black. You do get this matte finish for a side mirror at the bottom. Your turn indicators are located right there, together with the 360 camera right here as well. And your chrome lining goes across the whole car and cuts back down, so very sporty. There's a lot of this chrome stuff happening, so it does look very nice. Let's open up the doors. Again, chrome with the Obsidian black. They blend it really well. Let's open up the door. First thing is, you'll notice is that you have this, of course, your door, but let's take a look at the handles. Open up the door right here, seat adjustment right here. Memory seats, you have got 3 with the heated seat. You do get your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You also get your window adjustments up and down. You also get your Burmester sound system right here. Compartment storage, or either a bottle you can keep right there. So you do get your ambient lighting integrated into the door side right here, together with the inner part of the door right here, a handle, and also the side right here. So very nice lighting you get. Of course, you can change the colors, but totally up to you. Ambient lighting is located only on this side, but speaker goes right up there. Burmester once again. And you do get your leather finishing, again similar, and this hard plastic that's happening over here. So very cool like design. Now the side right here, you got a Mercedes-Benz plates lighted up, very nice. You got your AMG carpet wording, because of course this is a AMG line. Now take a look at the seats. You do get this sport seats, which are very comfortable. Of course, as you can see, the way it's angled out like this, so it really holds you well when you're taking sharp turns left and right in a fast speed. Now amazing futuristic headrest kind of a design, very nice. Love the lines that are happening for the AMG line. They don't go full, they only go up till here. So the Avantgarde line, you'll see it full, but the AMG line, you'll see it like that. So very nice. Jump right in and let's take a look at what we see. First thing is this amazing metal weave like finish of a dashboard. Love the finishing, man, dude. Can you see that? Amazing. So aircon right here, you do get your lighted air vents all over the air vents, depending on the ambient lighting you choose. This amazing leather dashboard that you get, speaker goes right there, airbag is right here, very nice. Ambient lighting is also right down here, can you see that? So it shoots up to this chrome-like satin finish. You also get this another satin finish right here with some ambient lighting located right there. Very nice, right? Amazing how it goes right down here, so cool. Open up the glove compartment. Of course, you have your storage space where you keep some stuff if you wish to. Let's close that. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front seat. Seat belts in black. Check out right here. Superb, I love it. Also, I like how the screen is angled up to the driver, so very nice. Now let's jump right to the back and take a look. Chrome lining once again at the door. Open this up and take a look at the doors. Door handles are located right here to pull. You got your Burmester sound system speakers. Tweeter, I believe, should be right here. Handle to pull to close the door. Window adjustments up and down. You got this texture-like finish for all the 4 doors. Compartment storage down here. Hard finish right here. You do get your leather finishing on all the other sides of the door. Stunning. Side window blinds that you can lift up and put down. Totally up to you. Let's leave it as it is. Earlier. Take a look. Interior, because this is a coupe, so let's jump right in to show you guys. Okay, so place to keep your book, paper, some sort of file. You do get your air vents right here to adjust the air to flow through, and yep, storage compartments, very small one right here. Nothing much happening down here, but yeah, you do get some very minor and small stuff that you can store, so very cool. Love the design like for the headrest, looks absolutely nice. Take a look at the center, what you guys are looking at. Fantastic, man, dude, fantastic. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear, and yep, the seat belts unfortunately are at the back, but nevertheless they are also in black, so very cool. What about from this side? As you can see, the headroom is good. See what I mean? It's good. This is a coupe, and yep, of course, if you need my, yeah, very nice indeed. So let's close this and let's jump out and take a look at what's happening right here. So if you pull this, of course, push it open, you do get your AC charging right here as well. On the right side should be your petrol cap, so let's close that. And since we're already at the wheels, let's talk about the wheels, shall we? Tire size 285 40 R20. So Continental tires is what we see right here. You do get your multi-spoke wheel in two-tone finish. Solid disc brakes happening right at the back. That's your brake caliper right there. With your Mercedes-Benz badging in black and silver. Fantastic. Love how this car looks. Again, the wheels look absolutely stunning. Very nice. Now let's jump to the rear design. But before that, we've got to move to the other side. Similar door setting like design. Check out the glass roof that we have right there. Fantastic. I have not hopped into the center seat to show you guys how comfortable it actually appears to be. Now, this is me sitting right in the center, comfortable, headroom is good. Right down here, fantastic. It's good. So let's get right down. Let's see what's happening right here. So, 2 cup holders. Fantastic. So let's get right down again. Petrol cap. That's where you fuel your car. Cool. Check out the rear. Once again, fantastic design. Love the GLC350e wording in chrome. You do get your formatic wording right here because this is an all-wheel drive. You do get some chrome lining at the bottom right here. 2 exhausts, one down there, one down here. Chrome lining once again, number plate goes right there. This is a matte finish, by the way. This is a Obsidian black finish, so gloss black finish. No, not really gloss black. This is a body color, sorry. This is a Obsidian black finish that goes all the way down here. So these ones are in matte, metallic. So very nice. Check out the underneath. Check that out, 2 exhausts, very cool. Now, To open up the back, push right here in the center of the badge, and you get to open this up. Now, of course, you do get these cars are new, so of course this is the rear mat for this car. Now, we will not touch that, but nevertheless this is a shade that you can use to cover in case you don't want people seeing what's happening on this side, on the inside. So you can fold that, you can even take it out, you can pull it and you can take this down. Okay, you do get some elastic stuff happening right here for you to slot some stuff in without it moving around. Net right here, seats to fold down, fantastic. Some storage happening right on this side, very minor ones as you can see. Warning triangle, charging cable, tow hook, very nice, superb. Okay, very cool. So let's check out the space that's happening right here. Amazing finish. Love how a car like this you can still store a lot of stuff. You can remove this bar so you can store higher stuff. Very cool indeed. Check it out from this side. Amazing. What about from this side? Take a look. Now we gotta pull the seat back a bit here so that we can lift up the seat later. Okay, cool. Very nice like design. And let's jump to the driver's side. Let's open this up. And first thing, let's admire the door. So you do get your seat adjustments right here. Memory seats 3. You do have your heated seat. You do have your opening up of the doors, locking, unlocking, window adjustments for both front and back, child lock for the rear window, side mirror adjustments. You have your matte finish, sort of like a texture-like finish, door handle. Hand goes in, pull to close the door. You do have your opening up of the rear boot and closing of the rear boot. You do get other compartment storage right here. This hard-like finish for a bottom piece, leather finish all over the place, guys. I love the stitching that's happening with the car. Amazing. Burmester speakers right up there, Burmester speakers right down here, AMG carpets right there. You got your Mercedes-Benz plate right here. You do get this chrome-like finish of a brake pedal and also the accelerator pedal for the AMG line. Love the lining once again for the seats, makes it look very, very sporty, as you can see. Now let's jump right in to show you guys how comfortable this car actually feels. Now this is having some gap right here in between the steering wheel, very nice. Can you see that? My hands are right at the back, cool. Love the design-like finish for this. Also at the back right here, see that? Amazing. So I love the satin finish, same as the pedal shifts, negative, positive. These are your gear levers, drive, reverse, and also the P that you press inside. Wiper adjustments, you do get a signal right here also as well, cool. And yeah, steering adjustments, of course electronic, you can choose to do so, very nice. Lighting adjustments, which we'll turn on shortly later. Handbrakes right here, your air vents right there, and the center right here. If you press on it, skip, and we press home, navigation, there we go. So love the screen setup. Driving modes are all located right here. These are your cameras for your parking and also your charging to show you guys what's happening right there. And you do get your vehicle settings that we have right here. If you press on this, it brings you straight to your vehicle settings for you to adjust. Hazard light, your touch ID to control your own settings. To turn off the screen, turn off the system. And this is your mute button to get rid of your volume. Push this down. Compartment storage at the side right here. Wireless charging happens down there. Type-C charging right here, 2 of it. And you also get your cup holders that are located right there. So very nice indeed. Love it. Press this open. You do have your small storage space that's happening right here. You do also get your Type-C charging happening right here as well. So very nice compartment storage. Superb. So start stop button for your engine is located right there. Again, you got this metal weave finishing all over the place. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front seat. Of course the seat is a bit upright, but nevertheless it's good. As you can see, very, very nice. Now let's get right down, turn on the DRLs to show you guys how does the front light actually look. Now as I mentioned earlier, you do get some blue lining. Can you see what I mean? This blue lining right here, right here. Also the bottom is your main headlights, but yeah, DRLs, white, and this blue lining. Gorgeous. Looks very, very sporty, man, from the front. Can you see what I mean? It looks absolutely gorgeous, man. So love how this car looks, man. Check it out from the side, right here. Oof, damn, stunning, very, very stunning. Now what about the rear? You do get these amazing lights, and you got to close this down to fully admire how gorgeous the back actually looks. You see what I mean? Love how the line just goes and cuts all the way up right below the GLC350e wording. Stunning, very, very nice. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys. Let's start off with the mirrors. You do get your turn indicators located right where your side mirrors are. You also get the turn indicators replacing the top part of the DRL. The bottom one always remains lighted or littered, sorry. Blue lining maintains. Check out the front. Very aggressive looking car, man. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Now over here at the back, you do get the brake lights going upwards like this. You do get your hazard lights right there, the signal indicators. Reverse light goes here. Of course, when you slam on the brakes, this bottom one actually lights up. Very, very cool. Okay, I love the ducktail kind of a finish. I like how it's like a slope going upwards. Can you see that? Love the angle of the coupe, man, or coupe, or however you call it. Of course, the glass roof, you can still remove it if you wish to. Amazing. Black interior, outside black, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful finish of a car. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Mutiara Damansara, where you'll be able to locate plenty more other cars happening all over the place, right here and right here as well. So that is it, guys, for today. See you in the next video.